This bike is an Enduro style that Rio has built, and it's powered by the BBSHD motor and the ASI back 855. The idea with this bike is to show how you can build a solid workhorse of a machine that's really easy to maintain. A bike that you can take on all-day adventures without running out of battery. A bike that with a bit of effort in some places could be made road legal and slash the cost of your transportation. We're going to be doing a special section on the High Voltage website for this bike, which will go into details on how you can build one and the kind of parts you need and the kind of places where you need to go to get them. Help and guidance will also be found via the Discord community for both this build and any others that you might be making. There may be a few skeptics as to whether a BBSHD has enough guts to be an effective pairing with heavier frames and batteries, but it has been done before, and there is the Enduro e-bike channel, and that has some videos on this very pairing, including some very cool electronic gear shifting. This bike is not meant to be a destroyer, although it will still have nice performance. So not the fastest, not the lightest, and it's unlikely to win much on a motocross track. But what it will do is give you a really fun bike with a huge range thanks to a 3.4 kilowatt hour battery. This is a bike for people that like to go out and cruise dirt trails and logging roads, go on bike camping trips and exploring. It uses the BBSHD, which as well as packing some power with the high voltage tuned back 855, is also really dependable and easy to maintain and repair. Lots of people that do multi-day trips use the BBSHD because it is reliable and repairable. The same bike could also be a reliable commuting vehicle with racks or towing a trailer to carry a load. If we can only sort out some proper regulations and licensing, this is the kind of utility light electric vehicle that could transform our cities. It's this potential that really pissed me off the most with the Bafang M625, because they could have easily made a BBSHD Plus that had a sweet spot at somewhere around 4.5 kilowatts with better cooling, etc. This here is the test model that you can see. We have lots of plans for this build, including a trailer that would extend the battery capacity by up to 5.6 kilowatt hours. If you're interested in any part of this build or the batteries that we're making for it, you can get in touch with Rio via the form on the website. When the weather improves, we can bring some more video on how the bike rides on a different range of terrain, as well as some really long distance runs. Thanks for watching. Cheers.